Ever found yourself staring at your Stash app, wondering, where the heck is my account number? Relatable story, I've been there. It's one of those things that seems so simple, but when you need it, it's nowhere to be found. Purpose statement. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Stash and find that elusive account number together. Part 1. Understanding your Stash account. Basic overview. Before we get to the specifics, let's clarify what your Stash account number is and why it's important. Account number definition. Your Stash account number is a unique identifier assigned to your investment account. It's like your financial social security number. Importance of the account number. Knowing your account number is crucial for various reasons, including making deposits or withdrawals, transferring funds between accounts, contacting Stash customer support, reviewing your investment history. Part 2. Finding your Stash account number. Method 1. The app interface. Step-by-step guide. Open your Stash app. Tap on your profile picture or avatar. Look for a section labeled Account Settings or Account Information. Within that section, you should find your account number listed. Visual demonstration. Use screen recordings or screenshots to visually guide viewers through the process. Method 2. Your Stash welcome email. Explanation. When you first created your Stash account, you likely received a welcome email. This email often contains your account number. Search tips. If you can't find the email in your inbox, try searching for keywords like Stash, account number, or welcome. Method 3. Contacting Stash customer support. When to use. If you've exhausted the previous methods, contacting Stash customer support is the best option. Contact information. Provide the most up-to-date contact information for Stash customer support, such as phone number, email, or live chat options. Tips for contacting support. Offer tips for a smooth and efficient interaction with customer support, like having your personal information ready. Part 3. Additional tips and considerations. Account security. Remember to keep your Stash account number and other personal information secure. Avoid sharing it with anyone you don't know or trust. Multiple accounts. If you have multiple Stash accounts, each one will have its own unique account number. Troubleshooting. If you're still having trouble finding your account number, double-check the steps we've outlined or reach out to Stash customer support for further assistance. We've covered how to find your Stash account number using the app, your welcome email, or by contacting customer support. Having your account number readily available is essential for managing your investments efficiently. So, take a moment to locate it and keep it safe. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.